Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. We are here. It's been a while since I've spoken to you guys down in the country. All of my rural people, them big up on yourself. Anybody who lives outside of Kingston or St. Catherine, big up yourself. Yeah, I'm a country folks. I'm loving you much. It's been a while since I've spoken to you guys, and I thought I would drop you a nice message now. Guys, you have a shipping company. If you have your packages overseas and you need to get them shipped to Jamaica and sent down in comfort via our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express, quite possible, you can go ahead. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us today. You can even check in the description box. You might see a link. Click on the link, join us today. We are your shipping company that allows you to purchase your items online, and then we ship them to Jamaica for you, clear customs, deal with all of that, and get your items sent down through our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. And you just go down to the Knoxford station. You don't need no money. Just go down there with your ID and just pick up your package. And it's as simple as that. Alright guys, so go ahead, click on the link, join us today. I'm gonna send on these packages to all of my folks down in the country. Alright, love you no much. Pick up on yourself.